Hello students, today I am going to give a quick recap on the chapter on equality. Equality is a key feature of democracy. In this chapter we will study about equality and importance of democracy. First is universal adult franchise. By this, people who are at the age of 18 or above have right to vote. There is no discrimination on the basis of caste, rich, poor and gender. It was adopted by our constitution in 1950. It is important in democracies because it brings political equality. People cast their vote in an independent manner and select their representatives according to their choice. Now, the next topic is inequality. No doubt in democracy, there is no discrimination on the basis of caste, religion, language, etc. But still, we can see the differences or discrimination on the basis of caste, religion, language. India is the largest democracy, and in India, this problem we can see. For example, in this chapter we have read about an autobiography, Juthan, written by Om Prakash Valmiki. In that he wrote how he was discriminated in the school, how he was forced to sweep the school campus and was forced to sit at the back only because of his low caste. So also you have read about Ansari couple, how they were not given an apartment on rent only because they were from different religion. So you noticed experience of both were similar. Ansaris were discriminated on the basis of religion, whereas Om Prakash Valmiki was discriminated on the basis of caste. Now the next topic is equality in Indian democracy. Right to equality is our first fundamental right. In democratic countries, all are equal before law. From president to ordinary worker of the factory, both are equal before law. There is no discrimination on the basis of caste, religion, language. Equal job opportunities are given to all, and everyone can use public property. Our government is also trying to remove these types of discrimination. Various welfare schemes have been launched by our government. And for example, in this chapter you have read about midday meal scheme. It was first started in Tamil Nadu in 2001. Later, it was adopted by other states of India. In this, students are given food in the school, and in this, students sit together, students of different castes sit together to have meal, and this increase the attendance of poor children in the school. So these are the steps taken by government to remove such types of discrimination on the basis of caste. India is a secular country. Our government has also trying to remove discrimination on the basis of religion also. Today, up till here, and next topic I will discuss in the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.